everyone, I'm Fiona. In today's video, we invited engineer Wang to explain how to deal with problems such as program interruptions while using the EPS cutting line in daily work. To ensure the smooth production process and the stable operation of the EPS cutting line, we should meet the following requirements. 1. Familiarize with the EPS cutting line. After the EPS cutting line handover, ensure that the operators fully understand and master the working methods, operation skills, and troubleshooting processes taught by the debugging personnel. 2. When encountering a failure that cannot be handled on your own, the operator should immediately contact the debugging personnel or manufacturer and describe the failure phenomenon and the attempted troubleshooting steps in detail. 3. Deep understanding of the EPS cutting line principle. For the PLC and drivers in the electrical control box of the EPS cutting line, operators should deeply understand their working principles, operating modes, and alarm mechanisms. Especially, you need to be clear about the circumstances under which the driver will automatically run, as well as the possible causes and solutions when various alarms appear. 4. Fault localization and troubleshooting. Establish a clear fault troubleshooting process for failures at different stations of the EPS cutting line. For example, when the transverse and horizontal cutting, vertical cutting stations fail, focus on the operation status of this PLC. When the third phase, cutting station, fails, pay attention to the status of this PLC. During fault troubleshooting, make full use of the PLC's operating data and alarm codes, combine them with the description of the EPS cutting line's condition, and quickly locate the problem. 5. Alarm handling and feedback. For occasional alarms on the EPS cutting line, operator can try to restore its normal operation by cutting off the power and then repowering. If the alarm occurs frequently, not only record the alarm code, but also observe the operating condition of the EPS cutting line, collect related data, and immediately feedback to the debugging personnel or manufacturer. Follow the guidance of the debugging personnel, carry out repairs or replacements of the drivers on the EPS cutting line, and if necessary, return to the factory for handling. 6. Continuous improvement and prevention. For the failures and alarms that have already occurred on the EPS cutting line, deeply analyze their root causes and take corresponding improvement measures to avoid similar problems from happening again. Regularly maintain and service the EPS cutting line to ensure its normal operation and extend its service life. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions.